It gets very hot here when you're cooking this beautiful food, so let's make something really refreshing to wash all of it down. We have some spices that we're gonna rim our glass with. We have cinnamon, nutmeg, cardamom, and we have some salt. So I'm gonna take my chilled glass, I'm gonna discard that ice, and I wanna put a little bit of citrus on top. So what I'm gonna do is take one of our gorgeous local limes, and look at the color that we have on the inside there, it's beautiful. Then I'm gonna take this and just rub this on the top, and then we'll be able to rim our glass. Make sure there's no more liquid in there. Give that a shake, and this will be a really nice spice that we're gonna put on the glass. Look how pretty that looks. That chilled glass is not gonna stay chilled very long, so we gotta move. Ice goes into my shaker cup. Next, we have some juices. So I have some mango over here that I juiced and then strained. You'll see the viscosity of it. Oh man, gotta love it. Next to that, what I'm gonna add is tangerine juice, passion fruit juice, and lime juice. Just so you know, passion fruit over here looks like this. It's a gorgeous color. Save that so you could take a look. Goes over here. Gonna pour in some of that. It's very acidic, so we don't wanna add too much. Touch more. Next, a really fun ingredient, grenadine. If you're out in the Caribbean islands, you're probably gonna find this. That's gonna go in and that's gonna give us a really nice color. Next, what I wanna do is give this a shake, but before I do, the star of the show, we're gonna add in a little bit of rum. So this is our 3-year-old, and this glass is getting real full. So we're gonna add in that much. Awesome, looks good. This is El Dorado 3-year, by the way. This is known as the best rum in the world. And when making cocktails, the white rum works very well. Next, I'm gonna put this on top. Make sure this is secure and give this a shake. Remove the lid like that. And I'm gonna strain this when I pour it over. And I can already smell those beautiful fruit juices. I can smell the rum. And look at this gorgeous cocktail that we have. And then we have a beautiful drink that's very refreshing, El Dorado forward, and this is made with local fruit juices. All that's left to do is take this and hit the beach.